Let's explain binary numbers. Binary numbers are a system of representing numbers using only two digits, 0 and 1. The base of the binary system is 2, meaning there are only two digits available to represent a number. Each digit in a binary number is known as a bit. The decimal number system, also known as the base 10 system, uses 10 digits, 0 to 9, to represent numbers. In contrast, the binary number system uses only two digits, 0 and 1, to represent numbers. In binary, the rightmost digit represents the least significant bit, LSB, and has a value of 2 to the power of 0, which is 1. Each subsequent digit to the left represents a power of 2, with the value of the digit determining whether that power is included in the binary representation of the number. For example, the binary number 100 represents the decimal number 4, because the rightmost digit is 0 and the next digit is worth 2 to the power of 2 or 4. Both number systems have their advantages and disadvantages. The decimal system is more human-friendly, as it is easier for people to understand and work with numbers represented in base 10. On the other hand, binary is more suited for computer processing, as it can be easily implemented using electronic switches that are either on or off. Additionally, the binary system is much more compact than the decimal system, as a smaller number of bits is required to represent a number. For example, the decimal number 255 can be represented as 8 bits in binary, 11111111, whereas it would require 3 decimal digits. However, converting between binary and decimal can be a bit more complicated, as decimal numbers can contain fractional parts, and binary representations can become long and difficult to work with. In summary, while both systems have their advantages and disadvantages, they are used in different applications based on their suitability for the task at hand. The decimal system is more commonly used in everyday life, while the binary system is used extensively in computer systems and electronics. Binary is used in many applications, such as computer memory, where data is stored and processed as a sequence of bits, and in electronic circuits, where binary values can represent different states such as on or off.